I think that the GLP type medications, and there's a bunch of them out there and the field is changing rapidly and evolving, are really of significant benefit. But one of the things that I think has been missed with them is the role of them as, I like to think of them as a catalyst. So let's take a person who's been trying just, good nutrition, exercise, so forth. 6 months down, they look in the mirror and they go, I don't know, I don't really see much here. Well, then what happens is they get demotivated, so they do less exercise. And they start to go back to eating, fast food and all that, because they figure, what's the good of this? I'm not seeing anything. The great thing about GLPs for someone like that is it's a tremendous catalyst, because all of a sudden they see real results. They look in the mirror and they go, wow. Once that happens, then they get remotivated to get back to the other good habits. The paradox, of course, is that now you've had this great success, and yet you feel a little cheated because, well, on the one hand, I know I'm healthier. I'm at a weight that I can maintain in a stable way for quite some time. But darn it, I don't think I'm looking as good as I did before. I kind of miss my old face. Well, this is where plastic surgery can come in, because we can use, for example, facelifting to simply bring structures back to their natural position. Often we combine that with fat transfer, because the other thing, of course, that happens is volume disappears sometimes in areas where you don't want it to disappear. And this occurs also in other areas of the body. We look at the tummy, for example, where often things get stretched out, and then people say, well, I'm kind of embarrassed to go to the gym or put on a swimsuit or whatever. Or, of course, for women, sometimes the breasts will get very settled and hollowed out. So some of the more advanced techniques of breast surgery can correct that. And in some cases on the arms and legs as well. So in this way, I think it can really almost serve, once you've reached your goal, it can serve as a wonderful way to kind of give yourself a reward, a positive feedback mechanism for all the good that you've accomplished.